Now we have to figure out ये गाती कैसे हैं, इनकी टेक्निक क्या है. Now all of that lies in one thing, and that is the dynamics. Now who's gonna tell me about the dynamics? Ma'am, I know all the vocal dynamics. The first is crescendo, where the voice gets gradually louder, and decrescendo, where the voice gets gradually softer. Second is vocal fry. Vocal fry. And then you have quiet singing. Beautiful. That was so good. Now you have to think कि अगर Beyonce ये गाना गाती तो कैसे गाती? She would have explored. She would have used the vocal dynamics. That's great. Now let us explore her singing technique. The first technique that she uses is belting with a twang. Belting जैसे हमें पता है हम अपनी आवाज को high pitch पे push करते हैं to the point of comfort, discomfort नहीं, हमेशा careful रहना है. Like you can say hey, hey. Softly नहीं कहना है. You have to say hey. Hey, good job. That's how you do it. Now you have to sing like you're agreeing with someone. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good job. Don't push it too much. Softly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good job. And now if you have to disagree with someone, how would you disagree? Na 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 na. And that, my friends, is the twang. That's the nasal voice that we use to brighten the sound. That is how you get the volume. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं head voice में गाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ या chest को belt करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन या तो discomfort हो रहा है या तो volume soft हो रही है. How do you make it brighter? Use the nose. You can also try another technique जहाँ पे आप बहुत ही whining तरीके से, you know, when you say no, use your nose, the naughty nose. Say the sing. When you say sing, you get the nasal sound.